In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Windows 11 computer to the latest version, which is Windows 22H2. So I'm going to check the version of Windows 11 that I have, and if I right click the start menu, click on run, type WinVER, I'm going to click OK. So it says here that I have version 21H2. So there are a few options where I can update my Windows 11 computer to the latest 22H2 version. I can go to settings, click on Windows Update, and click on check for updates. So it's not here. Usually it will be here. So I don't have the update version, which is Windows 22H2. So I have to go to this site, which is Microsoft download site, and I'll leave a link in the video description. And it says here you can download Windows 11, and this is the 22H2 version, and these are the options here. So this is the Windows 11 installation assistant, and you can read this by just clicking here before you begin. It says here, this assistant is for those who wish to upgrade a Windows 10 PC to Windows 11. So you can download this assistant if you have a Windows 10 PC. You can click download now, and it's an exe file, and you can run it. And you can follow the prompts. I'm going to close here. So the next option is to create a Windows 11 installation media. This is if you want to perform or reinstall a clean install of Windows 11 on a new or used PC. And with this option, you can download the media creation tool to make a bootable USB or DVD. And you can click here before you begin, and you can read this. So you can download this, and you must have a USB, which is 8 gigs or higher, or a DVD. Click download now. This is the media creation tool exe file. Click accept, click next, and it says here choose which media to use. So you can download this, and it will create a bootable USB drive, and of course it says here it needs to be at least 8 gigs. Or you can also download the ISO file and burn the file on a DVD. So I already downloaded in my USB, and it's here. It created a bootable USB drive here. So I'm going to close this. So this option is where you can download the Windows 11 as an ISO file. So here there's a drop down here, select download, Windows 11, download. Now select a language, which is English here, confirm, and it says download the Windows 11 64-bit edition. So click on the download. So it says here is 5.1 gigs, and as you can see, it's the latest version 22H2. So I downloaded it. So this is the ISO file. You can use a program software like Rufus, and this is Rufus. So on the select, you just need to click on it, select the ISO file, click open. So you must have a USB drive 8 gigs or more. You can change the name here. So you can just click on start, and it will create a bootable USB drive. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.